Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. We are going to make some garlic sriracha wings tonight, and I've made my own barbecue sauce, well, hot sauce I should say, but I'll leave those ingredients for the hot sauce in the link below in the description. So without further ado, I actually marinated these wings overnight, so they are good to go. I did use some Italian seasoning and dressing, I should say Italian dressing. So I'm not going to do anything to the air fryer. Yes, we're back to my Ninja. Yes. So, and these wings are pretty large, so it's gonna take a little longer to cook tonight. So I'll put the first batch in, go ahead and set the timer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let them cook. And once they're all done, I'll come back and let you know about how long it took per batch, because I think it's going to take at least 2 batches. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and place these in the Ninja air fryer. And I hope everyone had a beautiful day. I'm just going to, I'll keep this over here so I can actually see what I'm doing. And then I'll show you how it looks in there. I like the Italian dressing on here because it's to me it's like an oil, of course, like an olive oil. So I may be able to get all these in there, y'all. Let me see. Hold on, let me double check. I've never used the air fryer where I doubled up on it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll come back to those few. I think I could get them in there. What y'all think? There's 4 left. Yeah, let's try to get them in there. Let's try. Let's try to squeeze them in and see what happens. I think we may have a winner. Yes. All right, that saves time, you guys. That will save some time. Perfect. Ask and you shall receive. How about that? So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the air fryer. Voila. Okay, so let's press start here. And we're gonna do this. You know I like to cook on a low temperature, so we're gonna go with 350. Actually, yeah, let's go with 350, you guys. And we're gonna put the timer on, I'm gonna say a half hour. And I'm gonna come back like my hands are ashy, sorry y'all. I'm gonna come back like every 10 minutes just to flip them, you guys. Okay, so let's go with 30 minutes at 350. And then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, it is at the 10-minute mark. I did press pause so it could stop the timer. This is how the wings look thus far at 10 minutes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and flip them right now and put them back in. So I just wanted to let you see them before I flip them. So I have it paused at about 12 minutes, 12 to be exact. This is how the wings look. I'm gonna flip them again and let them finish for the last couple of minutes. And then we should be good to go. Okay, I stopped the timer at 12:12. So the wings been cooking about 18 minutes. This is how the wings look before I flip them for the second time. Just wanted you to get a close-up on it as usual. I'm gonna flip them and then see what it looks like at exactly 30 minutes. Okay everyone, the wings are out. The smaller wings I took out at exactly 30 minutes, and then I let the larger ones cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So I plated them up. I have barbecue sauce of your choice in the center.
This is my special sauce I've made back here. I have it in my mini crock pot. My little small crock pot back there comes in handy for salsas. I'm just gonna scoop this and drizzle it on the wings. We have movie night tonight, so this is what we're gonna have while we watch the movies. It smells good, I'm telling you. And, you know, my wings are well done, you know. Also, I want to let you know that I did turn the temperature down to 325 for the last 10 minutes of the cook time in the crock pot. The sauce, y'all. Oh my, this sauce is so good. Y'all ready to sample it? Which one do you want? You know I like to tease you sometimes. Let me grab a wing, a leg. I actually like wings. So, since I like my crispy one, let's grab this one here. If I can grab it. It's hot, y'all. Sorry. I'm gonna pick it up so you can actually see it though. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. What do you think? We're going to dive into it. You guys, this sauce, you have to try this recipe. If you try the sauce, come back and let me know what you think of it. I'll leave the recipe for the marinade and also the recipe for, like I said, the sauce back there. And I'm telling you, that sauce is good, y'all. All right. Until then, God bless you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, have a good evening. God bless you.